Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to concatenate two dictionaries. So let us start this program. Here in the first line, this line creates the first dictionary as dictionary 1 with two key value pairs as A to 1 and B to 2. Now and then in line 2, this creates the second dictionary, dictionary 2 with two key value pairs as C to 2 and D is to 4. Now here, this is the key operation where we use the update method. And the update method is used to add the key value pair from dictionary 2 into dictionary 1. If there are any keys in dictionary 2 that are already present in dictionary 1, their values will override the corresponding values in dictionary 1. In this case, dictionary 1 is modified in a place and after the update, dictionary 1 contains the combined data from both dictionary 1 and dictionary 2. Now in the last line here, this line prints the concatenated dictionary. After the update method, dictionary 1 now contains all the key value pairs from the dictionaries. So let's check its output. See, it gives the concatenated dictionary as adding both the dictionaries. So thanks for watching this video.